Velcro from the back. They have a strap on the side of the Velcro and then a top, so where your feet just feel like secure. Claim to activate. Shut the fuck up. No, I haven't been on NoPixel in a few months, but I've been out of town and shit, so it's all good. All good. What up, Zeus? How you doing? How you doing? Bring your walking shoes. Yeah, I have some sneakers. I want to bring some nice sandals, though, too. They're... I forget what the brand is. Four-letter word or something. Thank you, Razor. Am I high? No, I feel like I'm high. I only had like 3 hours of sleep. And then I just ate a huge breakfast, so I'm like out of it. I'm kind of glad we didn't go to that other town. I feel like I'm like crashing. Leather sandals with straps. No, they're not leather. They don't look the coolest, but they're really sturdy. I'll show them to you in a minute. Average summer temperature in Crete. I don't know. I'm guessing high 80s. I know there's days that it gets 90s, but when you're up in the mountains, it's not humid at all. It's like super dry heat, so it's really nice heat. But I mean, I would say high 80s might be average. I'm up early. Dude, it's 9:40 already. I've been up for like 3.5 hours. Hundred and above is not the average for Crete. Yeah, I'm in New York. Writing scripts and creating content. Stinky Whizzle Teats. That was fun. You're taking a bath and watching me? Shit, dude. How are you feeling? Stream more often, Raquel. I gotta text her because I was supposed to be here this Wednesday, but I'm not going to be.
Thanks for resubscribing early 323. Hi boya Milonotfuni.
Thank you, early. Thanks for the 26. I'm not gonna be here, so I gotta text her to tell her that I'm leaving early. Never should have any moons of Jupiter. 63. And with another motherfucking gifted sub to Psycho Snipes. 195 motherfucking gifted subs. Anna, motherfucking legend. You a beast, girl. You a beast. Did you collect CD, movies, or sneakers? Yeah, all three. I'm excited that I'm gonna be able to take my suitcase, whether my dad drives me or if I have to take an Uber. Uber is really expensive from here all the way to the airport, but instead of lugging my suitcase on this train that doesn't even have room for it, checking in another hotel, doing another couple streams, I just can't do it. The fact that I'm just gonna leave from here in a few days and go right to the airport and go back to LA, I really need that. This is like a smart move. It's an expensive move, but it's a smart move. I wish the flight price didn't change so much. What the fuck? I paid $150 to change the flight to stay later. Then I had to spend like another $600 to change it back. Oh, fuck. But it's for my nice mental health. I'll feel nice and sassy back in LA. In my own bed. Oh yeah, the MRE opening. I think the MRE already has arrived. So maybe on Friday or maybe in the weekend I'll do the MRE stream. One of them wasn't available, which I thought it was going to be one of the big ones, but it was actually the small one that I ordered. So we'll still have the two big 24-hour ones to open. When am I moving to NYC? Maybe October. That's when my lease is up, so. But just because my lease is up doesn't mean I can't go travel before I go move, so. We'll see. Maybe October, maybe December. They get the old as fuck ones. Nah, I got the ones that are not expired, so I could eat them and not get sick. Check P.O. Box when you get home. Word, word, word. I will, baby. I gotta check that shit. Go do something. Okay. I'll do something. Good idea, Thick. Here's what I'm gonna do. I could actually fall asleep right now. I'm fucking exhausted. Shout out from Long Island. I like these glasses. I used to wear really heavy Dita glasses, and these are so light. Like, look at the frames. They're so, like... I like that. It doesn't hurt my fucking head to have this shit anymore. They're Dita, D-I-T-A. I'm not doing a real